Hi, I'm Tim Bone. A lot of people get scared about carving a whole duck, but I'm gonna show you, talk you through it. Don't be scared, come with me. It's gonna be easy. We've got our beautiful whole roasted duck. Now this little fork can be your best friend because it's quite hot. First, we're gonna get some of that breast meat off. So just using the middle as a guideline, chopping down, just working our knife. You'll be able to feel where the rib cage is and just working away from that, slicing around until you have the most beautiful, succulent duck breast you've ever seen. The duck leg is probably my favorite part of the duck. I just absolutely love it. Again, just working your knife, you'll be able to feel around the bone. There we go. And then you've got the most beautiful duck leg and breast. That's my bit. No one's stealing it, okay? All right, guys, just a couple of hints and tips on how to carve your whole roasted duck. Next time you're at the supermarket, have a look. Luv-a-Duck's there. Pick yourself up a duck and whole roast it. You won't be disappointed. I can't hold back anymore.